Hello, friends. Hope you are all right. This is big breaking news. Indian Army captured a terrorist alive and killed another five and prevented an attack like Uri. A major counter-terrorism operation along the line of control LOC in Uri sector of Baramulla district in Jammu and Kashmir has concluded with the killing of 5 terrorists and capturing of 6th one. Army said that the operation was launched on September 18 after a large group of Pakistani terrorists tried to infiltrate into the Indian side. In the gunfight, 5 terrorists have been killed and a 6th one was captured after he offered to surrender. This is the terrorists. The name of this terrorist is Ali Babar Patra. He is a resident of Okara district in Pakistan's Punjab province. And the sad thing is he is only 18. Now an interesting fact is that remember the Mumbai attacker Ajmal Kashyap? He was also from this Okara district. Now we have to understand why these people are recruited by both ISI and the terrorists. Because they are from very poor background and they are young, they are easy to be brainwashed by those terrorists and ISI. Ali Babar Patra, the Pakistan terrorist who surrendered before the Indian Army along the line of control LOC, has revealed that he is a member of the Lashkar-e-Taiba. And Indian Army also clarified terrorists took the same route used before the 2016 Uri attack. So they were using the same route. And in this whole operation, Pakistan Army was exposed. Ali Babar Patra said, "We had been told that the Indian Army committed atrocities against Muslims in Kashmir, but I saw nothing of this sort. The Indian Army treated me well. I was not tortured or beaten up," Ali Babar Patra said. He also added that he was handed over to the ISI before being trained by the Pakistani Army. So you can see the whole Pakistani Army was involved. In this news report, you can see the ammunitions recovered from them. Ali Babar Patra said he underwent 3 weeks of training at the Garhi Habibullah camp in Pakistan in 2019, followed by another few days of training before being launched. He also revealed that most of the instructors employed for the terrorists' physical and weapons training were Pakistan Army personnel. And Ali Babar Patra also said, "I want to tell youth like me in Pakistan, this jihad is wrong." Now we have to understand the reports. According to international report, Pakistan is the home of 12 foreign terrorist organizations. Now we are witnessing this for a long time, as far as we can remember. They harbor those terrorists and launch in India. So what should be India's plan of action? India should try to blacklist Pakistan. Source of income is hard. They will not try to attack India more.